Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ukonrat ke sangma Myntri Rangbah ka jilla menta kesengi ulawan ban play pat ba no Ïaka project Bhoi Dream e-rise lane ka eri Rearing Innovation, Spinning and Empowerment. Kabalamang ha kajinglot pisa kabasaw pon Henry Way Klor Tingka ha Umsning Bhoi District. Kani ka project kan ay jing mentoy kumba 6,000 ars patli kilong yeng na ki santli ki CNRD block jong ka Bhoi District ki ba im bat kershan ya ka yeng kasem lingba ka kam rikhnyang ka kam than bat penmi ru ya uksai rindia. Kumban chukudaw hangne ka thong jong kani ka project kalong ban kentiu bat pen klan chu shu ya ka jing penmi ya uksai bat ka kam than jan rindia kumba ka Bhoi District kadai ka bapaw nam ba penmi ya ki jan rindia bat ru bakan longkom ka district ka balam khmat ha kari halor kani ka jat kam ka balong ru shibenta ban kentiu ya kilong kme ki ba im bat penbit penbiang ya ka yeng ka sem lingba kani ka kam. Naloru konrat ke sangma ha kani kasnila sakhiru ya ka jingdon ringkat jong uba sostinus sotun Myntri katnat CNRD ka jilla u Dr. Celestin Lingdo u MLA ka Umsning uba Middle Bones u MLA ka Nongpo ka Kongrona Khamdet ka MDC ka Nongpo u Abhilash Baranwal u Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi nalor kiwe de ki he officer kinong yalam shnong ki kinhun self help group kinong riknyang kinong thanjan bat kiwe de Ukonrat ke sangma haba ai jingkran ha kani kasngi uloong babun sin kinong mi ikmat ki jukin dit benriu tang haba lajan ke election Henry ka sorkar MDA ka don ya ka jingkit kle ban shakri barban ai ya ka bahatam na kabenta ki pat ba nong shong shnong ka jilla ban sngap ki jing ki jing ot ki jongki bat ru ban pinya jan ya ka jing traikam jong ka sorkar bat ki pat ba lingba ki program bat ki scheme ba pher da ka ba ai nuksa kum ka CM connect ka ba penlong dangshen ha Umsning Kajing pli pat ba ya kani ka project kalong dasisha ka bansa jingkan mau ha kapateng bansawan jong ki pat ba nong riknyang kinong thanjan ka than ki ba imsngi ha kani ka kam na ba kani ka project kan ai jing mentoy bat kintiu shikat de yaki kham tam na ka benta kilong kme ki ba kershan ya ka yeng ban penbit penbiang ya la ka yeng kasem lingba kani ka jat kam ha ka ba kin yo ban penan kam no nang ne shakmat da kitiar lani ki machine ki ba ya hap kat kum kani ka jog ka ba minta ka ba yo bansam hakani kasni shu hakani kasni ukonrat ke sangma ulabu ru ya Mawnongrim na kabenta bantay ya kamadan ya lekai jong ka Umsning Sports and Cultural Club ha Umsning Patarim kabalamang ha kajinglut kabasaw pon henyo iwe klor tingka kajing pelat ya ka Philo app na kabenta ki samla pule ka district haki kerdan pule ki ba pher bat ru kumju na kabenta ki samla wat kam wat jam
Menta Myntri Rangbah lem bat kiwe ki Myntri bat ki menta ki play pardano e Mawnongrim bansnai ka mini stadium hangni ha Umsning Patarim kasnong be jumpi na Myntri Rangbah juni Ikong ibanala el molong ide iwe na ki beneficiaries belapen banyak hafti mengendak agency mereka es pelayo yang machine bakinet na mentara project ini sobha banyak hafti na mentara hafti bersyukur
to have a CM Connect program to interact with the people, to listen to their grievances. As a government, we have always believed that for any leadership, any department, or any official to be able to bring the changes and the development that is required, we must listen to the people. We must connect with the people. Sometimes, as politicians and as government, we become very complacent. We take things very easy. And we wake up only when the election arrives. This is not the kind of governance that this MDA government wants to give. We want to be a responsive government. We want to be a government that connects with our people, listens to its people, and delivers in a timely manner. It was in that CM Connect program which I had right here in Umsning. I was told about the street lights, and within a matter of couple of months, with the help and support of your very dynamic local MLA, we were able to provide the street lights. In this field, there was a demand for a mini stadium to be constructed. And within 4 months, we are here today with the sanction, the administrative approval, and we are today here to lay the foundation stone for that particular mini stadium. There was a request that the Jal Jeevan Mission program of the Umsning, Greater Umsning water supply was affected because of the road construction. We immediately called the meeting, and as mentioned by DC, majority and by our local MLA, majority of the issues have been resolved. Some additional features and additional lines have been demanded by the people. We are working on those also. There were many road projects that were requested. I'm happy to inform you, some have been sanctioned, some will be sanctioned in the days to come, because we also have financial constraints. We cannot sanction everything in one go, but the process has started. And the reason why we do this, I want to share this with you also. The reason that we do this. I was talking to Dr. Bob just now, and he asked me, sir, in 4 months we have managed to sanction this mini stadium. I have not seen this kind of pace at which schemes are sanctioned ever before. And I was sharing with him that, Doctor, we as politicians, we need to work and we need to have a mindset that keeps telling us and reminding us that election is next year. Don't think election is 2 years later. You tell yourself that election is next year.
Jangan kebalayai lakumba atau tentang. Nidon lu, kene ke program keba lai terteng ke e-rise. Hagabayai bat kakanjan. Kawi roni kijan dunia bat tunta terteng. Dikini ki apa di program? Ngile apa Umsning mentagasni. Ban rakhe onde tang nakadaw terpilih di ato di kiman. Ngapa ang kren hangni? Baganero kadai ka program ang baka sorka ka rakhe ya ka jinga prasnem Hapo kajingelang jom sorkar MBA Prasmen kilayat Islam but ki jitula ki bangi layo'i. So today, in every heart, in every thought, and on every lips of the people of Umsning, the only word that comes to the mind is thank you. Thank you because when you visited us on the 27th of November last year, it was exactly 4 months ago. And in these 4 months, the mini stadium has materialized. In these 4 months, the solar street lighting for Umsning town has been completed. In these 4 months, the water problem that we face has been solved partially and little bit is still left. Kanega Sarkar MDA Hagabayday Baka Jinpurlut konsep Nakamanta ki Jinyalaykan Kanega stadium kabangin sayo Henry Jinpun Manjong kanega Sarkar Nakamanta Usnem Arko Arkusan Hadu Arkupra Kakot Hadu Shihajar Kendai Spa Glur. Balik kita ke Jinpun Man Kapoi Hadu kata Kadau Kalomba Ngi Pentre Na Kabenta ke National Games ke Balai Kendai. Bahagia kata ke Shihajar Kendai Spa Glur Ke Umsning Ru Kadon Benta Namar Balai Ke estimate Ia kena stadium ke Jongi Kapoi Hadu South Point 71 crores. Abang ia kena dia kontrikan jom kena sorka. Amdei tak apa Umsning bagi yo. Larang ia kena hak block level. Kita nak live spot South League sports infrastructure. Akibat repair jom ke jalan Meghalaya ke Sungi. Our Live League sports infrastructure. Hak district level, hak jilla barak away. But hak state level, kita ada Prata League sports infrastructure. Kabang asal benar bangun hanya kalong. Habang ia kira ke district level, UMLA jauh nombor uran rekat bagi hanya. Ni basyong Umsning leseng inomtip. Henry basah nombor ilayoi. Ya artificial turf football playground haum buda kala janda. Tentang asko sarong harpai ini bat kanampok konstituensi. Omdei tanda kilayor Ïaka synthetic athletic track lanai ke mini stadium naga bantaban yang balik. Kata hapok kasinong paham skin. Larang ajar kereng kita sipun kiwaipat. Henry ngasupun timau tangi Ïaka balong sendak.
Burung ke crowd, Ïaka visionary leadership, kajong Honorable Chief Minister Jongi, Pusat Kaumrat ke sama, halor kajing, yo icnai kat kajing, lendane kajing IT kedulu, nakabaca kumlo barang-barang, Ïaka jela kejongi, bahkan nangla ban kiu state baru kibenta. Kajing kublai kebakarpang congratulations, yai Dr. Celestine, nangka parikipajba, jong Umsning, nakabaca kenika stadium, kaba pinsuyo on sedang no shen. Kumuway na kinong mikmat hakatem ni Bhoi Raso gunai ke jiro ke sokal kaba klepek shiliang lenin yo shiliang nagda katem ni Bhoi kabi ke jowi lagi Plie amang na constituency ngini ke jingkawa kaba nakaway ke sni siya kaway pa na way panay sa waypat na waves nem sa waypat kide baro kide lingba kajing IT but kajing rich ngai kajing Preston Kejong Honorable Chief Minister Nagabencaban Kintiu yang ke Bhoi District pada Kejela Meghalaya di Pulau Bhoi. Akan dikesni ke Bekerpang, ke Nagaliang, ke Solkar, ke Plie, Kerpang yang ke Bhoi District. Akan bidai batkan Bhoi Silk Dream. Kabagi orang hati Norway. E-Rise, getting initiatives which carries a deeper meaning than its name suggests. It reminds us that rural development must begin from within, from our own skill, our own tradition, and our own people. Sericulture is not new to us. What is new is the way we are using to nurture it. With innovation, organization, and a clear focus on empowerment. This is the vision and aim of our Honorable Chief Minister and the Meghalaya government, where a rural household gains a stable livelihood. We are not just increasing income, we are strengthening confidence, preserving culture, and building resilience. Kadon Shisha Kabaklan Kabanangit by Kajikinti or Kishno Akino Kundam Kabade Tangman Kalaso Henley Kade Katong Jangka Sorka Naru Honorable Chief Minister Ban Kintiu Yakin longi longsem Bakilaban yeng halaki jauh ki kijak Kene katong kebahas watam Kebaka Sorkar Jela Aka Jelam Jauh Honorable Chief Minister Ugon Nagamenta Ban Kintiu Yakin Paipa Lakalong Hasson Lene Hanul Kendong Ipalba ay jauh terbi Bhoi, ke Solkar, ke Plie, Kilat, Kilenti, ke Malabatai, di local level Jopi, Dr. Celestine Lingdo, Shibol ba Kilat, Kilenti, ke Plie na kumita Jopi. Siyempre ke Kabu
of 100 plus solar street light and financial assistance of 2 school buildings. That is one school, Pesara school building, and Umsning town of school. And one time financial award to the student and a sport person here in Umsning. There, but Hamshai, kacik skopu, but Hamshai lebih kinam WhatsApp. Haganega Umsning town of Ngayon kumuway ucapan jang industri kisah, hagani Umsning. Ngayon day yabi paro kiba la perlu ya kapor, la perlu ya kaski, berwarna kilang hagani kejigilan mereka kaski, kadai kaski, jang keciksa kembau ke history, jang kesam Umsning tahun berapa jongi, kadai kamadan kaba pisyam babi. Nilakmi nanti lakukan apa sem banyak Ïaka ministerium la lain sahur kecil besar ni panjang yang kena badan kat kabani lepan api seki kena kesin kabadan bok kabadan bok pat kabas sumberlatam yang isam jadi negeri isam Umsning ibahap apa ketaulan bagi mayo ban Sino layopan Hapriwan no ya foundation stone na kabata kali ka ministerium jangka Islam Umsning sport at cultural club ka bahap apo ka Umsning tambaba. Tinagayan ka na ngamdan ay imanong panikapor mababa nangbon kini kinograts kamat kama ngatangi ka nga sa play ka ipi session nga welcome ya ipi session hakateng jangka Islam Umsning tambaba kulay sigo.